for my first birthday. I got my first bike practically, and immediately I started riding the bike instead of walking. My passion about cycling, I would say, it was transferred from my father. In 2009, it was our start of when we formed our cycling club. We started to go on races with our cycling club, and we had a little bit of problems with the financing, like everyone here in the Balkans. We tried to organize cycling excursions as an offer to the guests who are already here in Ohrid and practically don't know what to do tomorrow. Via Dinarica, as a cultural and an adventure corridor, is helping this kind of tourism to promote the region. In 2009 in Coinsko there was only one house that was some sort of kept alive. Now we have 2 restaurants, we have few rooms to sleep over. So only on this place we see improvement, and we have it everywhere. I think that North Macedonia, especially Ohrid, is quite interesting for adventurers to come here. For someone who loves traveling and exploring, especially nature like we have here, which is not crowded, I would say. I know that the Alps are good and they are majestic, but they're crowded. I had 2 Italians a few months ago. After a tour around the lake, they were like, JJ, this is same as Lago di Garda, just without people, which is making the amazing stuff even more amazing because you're alone.
Do I feel lucky? What do you talk?
Being alone on the bike, for me it's priceless. The shock of adrenaline when I hit a nice berm on a downhill, I cannot describe it. There are no words that can describe this feeling. It's like a gift, but a priceless one. I wouldn't change it for nothing. For someone who likes to enjoy nature, who wants to explore new stuff, who is an adventure seeker, this is the perfect place for them.